Hey, John Kavakis here. I got something exciting I want to share with you. For the last 6 weeks or so, John Roberts, Tom Kinney, Carl Schnell, and myself have been working on a very special project, and we're ready to take it public and make it prime time. We've had a small group of people helping us set up a brand new Facebook page in support of the Brooklyn SMTS factory. The page is called the Brooklyn SMTS Collective. If you put that in your search box on Facebook, you'll find it. It's a Facebook page closely related to the Brooklyn Models page. And it is dedicated to everything that Brooklyn and SMTS is producing and has produced. So there's a whole host of nameplates. You can figure them out. If Brooklyn or SMTS made it, we want to be able to share it and talk about it on the page. We want to talk about models you have in your collection. We want to talk about models you had in your collection. We want to talk about models that are coming. We want to be sharing with the guys from the factory. All of those updates and everything are going to be on the page. So we're going to be a resource for news from both Brooklyn and SMTS. But the primary aim is fellowship. The primary aim is to enjoy the hobby. Skip Johnson, good friend of mine, says, hey, it's a hobby. We should be having a good time. We should be having a good time. And that's what we want to do. We want to be an encouragement to the factory. We want to be able to tell these guys, we appreciate how hard you're working. We appreciate the product that you're making. Some of the best white metal that's ever been made is coming out of the factory. And we want to tell these guys, we support you. We encourage you. We're on your side. We're eager to see what's coming next. So all that's going to happen right there on the Brooklyn and SMTS Collective page. Now, the way you find the page, you put that in the search box and then move over. Once the page comes out, move over to the right. Take a look at that logo. John Roberts made the logo. We've got several other logos that we're going to be rotating in there. We had a lot of help on this. But go over to the right of the page and click the join button. Click the join button. Now, one of us will have to acknowledge that, but once you're acknowledged, come back and make a comment. Now, it's going to be important for you to join the page, not just linger on it, but join the page and come back and make a comment, and I'll tell you why. We've got a giveaway. Simon and Chris and the guys at SMTS have very generously given us a model to give away, and we're going to give it away at the end of December. And here's what the model is. Let me give you a picture of it. It is a 1928 Golden Arrow land speed record car. So Carl's working on a way to get all the people who join and comment, all the people who have already joined and already commented will be included in this, to put them into a hat and pull a random name out of it. And we're going to send you the model. I'll pay for the shipping. Oh, we're that excited about this. We're really looking forward to it. We got more giveaways coming. There's events coming. We got a show coming in Chicago in March. I have the details on that right after the first of the year. But we're looking forward to just being able to share the hobby with each other and enjoy these little things that I love so much. This is my pastime. This is my hobby. This is my break from the routine of the day. And I want to be able to share that with you, and I want you to be able to share it with me. We're keeping it to Brooklyn and SMTS products, but there's a wide range of it. So whatever ideas you have, put them up on the page. Whatever pictures you have, put them up on the page. Please, no pictures of 1-1 cars. They're so backed up on production, it's ridiculous. The schedule's in place. We don't need any more ideas on 1-1 cars. But yet everything else. You have questions. You have answers. You have things you thought about. You know, what happened to this guy? What happened to that guy? Where are we headed? How are we going to get there? And how are we going to do it all together? The main aim is to have a good time. So I hope to see you on the page. I hope you join it. I hope you make a comment. And I hope you win. And I look forward to pulling that name out of the hat and see who wins. And then we'll see what the next step is. We're going to have more giveaways. We're going to have more events. So, hey, thanks for spending the time with me. I look forward to seeing you on Facebook.